Hello mga guys, ito na naman tayo ngayon. Dahil hapunan na, magluluto tayo ng sinabawang manok. Kulong-kulo na sa mga guys. Okay, wait lang tayo ng ilang minuto para ilunod na natin yung papaya. Kulang ang ating pampaasim na kalamansi, so dagdagan natin siya ng kamates. Yan. Tapos ilunod natin ngayon yung tanlan. Yan. Whoops! Sabay takpan. So mga guys, ito na, nalunod na natin ang ating papaya. Antay na natin siya ng mga 3 minutes para malaga o konti ng yung papaya niya. Kulong-kulong naman guys, sinabawan. Sige na, puri na. Lord. Guys, kain tayo guys. Ito yung mga natin.
Yung paan.
Ano yung paa?
Lagay mo sa platito.
Tayo na ako ng restaurant mga guys. Kasi sa luto pa lang eh. Oh, mayroon pang shiki. Shiki mga guys. Ito Wap. Sabaw. Sarap.
So he doesn't feel pressure. He's ready to show the world who he is.
Kanya, mahuli kayo dyan. Naghabulan pa kayong dalawa.
As a winner around the US, Rolex has really clashed with the best and come out on the winning side of those throwdowns. He's a highly skilled technical fighter. More like he moved, more like boy, technical, has the counter ability, but also showed in that last fight that he could get on that front foot and he could get it done. It's very important for him.
Sarap nila.
To show
Yung bawang manok.
change his style.
Halo ng papaya
I spent a lot of time with Gonzo when we were over at Fairtex. Daily rounds, I traded rounds with him. As much of a beast as he is,
diba?
decorated champion, he is a humble warrior. He's a people's champion, and that's why the fans love him.
Tama ang anghang.
Muay Thai is a martial art with so much history and tradition. Originally, Muay Thai was used in combat. The soldiers in their kingdom set off to protect the king, and then in times of peace and prosperity,
Ubos.
used as a way for fitness, healthy
Bye.
competition between
Guys,
the king's
bye-bye.
guardsmen